So how to do a warm-up exercise well. So most of you have a day jobs, you work from 9 to 5, and after the long day of working you feel that your mind is working too much and you feel tired, you are too much stuck in your head. And before the practice session you want to relax your mind, get to the flow state, feel concentrated and gain confidence. So I will give you a warm-up exercise which will give you all these things. And the biggest thing in the warm-up exercise is to put as many balls as possible, play nice and easy shots. You don't want to play difficult shots. You want to just make sure that the ball goes in straight to the pocket, and it will give you a positive mindset, which is good for snooker. So I'm just starting out with the simple red. I'm just rolling in. The ball is difficult, so I just play the random ball. Doesn't matter. So I just doing the beginner stuff, which they usually do. If you got the ball, you can play balls in the pocket with the top spin. Just try to feel the rhythm in your cue action. Just try to feel rhythm in your mind. Think about what you want to do with the cue, what you want to do with your cue action. After some time, you can try to plot more difficult balls like this. It's really important to get hand-eye coordination to the correct place, because people who are just coming after the intelligent work, they are too stuck in their mind, and you want to use body intelligence rather than mind intelligence. This is what so this will give you automatic relaxation. Like that. As you can see, my shots are not difficult. I'm potting most of my balls. I already feel that I'm potting so well. So that means during the practice session I will be focused, I will be confident, and I will achieve much better results than if I was in the negative mind state. So now I won't play anymore because it's gonna take a long time. Try to clear up all reds, all colors. It will take you maybe 10-15 minutes, and this time set is more than enough to achieve the outcome which you want to achieve during the practice session. Wish you luck.